Hey, what's up guys, Jason here for TechnoBok Unboxings, and today I'm extremely excited. I've been sent something which I'm really looking forward to. It's a DJI haul, the DJI Mavic Mini, the DJI OSMO Pocket and the OSMO Action. Three really nifty, really compact and really powerful gadgets that are here to change the way in which all of us, guys like me, like you, create media. Filmmakers take things to the next level, but all in a way that's so compact, so simple. And let's face it, DJI have been doing it for a while. They're pretty much the masters in the drone space. I've had the likes of the Phantom 3 Standard, I had the Phantom 3 Professional, I had the Phantom 4, and I'll currently fly a DJI Mavic Pro, and now they've sent me this, the baby Mavic Mini to play with. Then, for a while I've been using the Osmo with the 4K camera, the one with the larger gimbal camera, the round camera, and now they've sent me also the Osmo Action and Pocket to check out. So this is really cool, it's really exciting, but without further ado, let's get these out the boxes, show you what comes inside, then we're going to dive straight into the footage and see what these new products are all about. First things first, let's start with the one here in the center, the largest box, and this is the Mavic Mini, but not just any Mavic Mini, it's the Fly More combo. So on the box you immediately see you're greeted with the picture there of the drone itself. It's got these prop guards, the actual drone, a remote controller, 3 batteries, and might I add with the Mavic Mini they're 30 minutes each, so I'll show you when I take them out. I've already had a chance to look at them. They are tiny, this whole thing is tiny, but very powerful. Of course, the remote controller, which is much like the Mavic range, no monitor or display on it, similar operation and way of doing things, and overall you're getting this nice nifty carry case. So let's open the cardboard box here. First we'll take this out for you. Very nice, very slick, very typically DJI, very classy and well crafted. It's a little DJI Mavic case, grey, very neat, and in here's all the components. And then within the box you get these separate little compartments and boxes, and it's the likes of your power cord, for instance, it's the likes of your quick tips manual, it's the likes of your remote controller. What I've done is I've moved it all into this grey case, so let's get the main box out the way and take a look at this. This is the actual drone itself. Now showing it to you in front of me like this doesn't do it much justice. Put it against my hand, you can see my hand sticks right over it. It really is tiny. It is the size of a little can of Coke, for instance. Really, really miniature. Seeing it in person will only truly do it justice. It's a 3-axis gimbal, so it'll stabilize whether it be vertical, sideways, up, down, no matter the motion, it keeps it stable. As we've come to see, DJI are masters at gimbalized footage. It gives you, of course, as I said, 3 batteries which come in this very nifty power bank. You can charge the whole thing at once, all fits into the case, and that's in total 90 minutes of flight time between all 3 of them. HD video transmission, they say for up to 4 kilometers. I haven't tested the full range of it, but I can tell you it's clear, it's crisp, it's impressive. And then the big one, finally, before we get this out the way, is what it says on the side. Everyone rants and raves about it. 249 grams. That's crucially the number. Coming in under 250 grams means that this is kind of more a toy, kind of hobby sort of drone. It means that you don't have a lot of the regulations which the likes of the FAA impose on a lot of the bigger drones which need more commercial style flying and conditions, and it means that the small little one is just that bit easier and that bit more relaxing. Of course, with any drone though, it's important to bear in mind you must follow the rules and regulations out there. Safety is always of the highest priority. I've flown drones for a long time, and I'll always stress that the main thing is be safe, and then you can get the most out of it and you can simply enjoy the footage. really awesome Mavic Mini. That thing really blows me away. Unless it's in seriously tough wind conditions where it may take a bit of a hammering, for its size, for its weight and its price, it really is quite a beater, that thing. It is very impressive. We're now going to look at this. This is DJI's all-new OSMO Action. It's kind of like the GoPro, but from the DJI brand. But they've come along, they've taken what GoPro have produced in the way of a product, something impressive, an action camera, and of course they've upped the ante a bit. So they've taken the likes of, it's got some features on the back, for example, here I'll mention, 11 meters waterproof, 8 times 1080p with 8 times slow motion on the camera. You get 4K 60 frames, optical image stabilisation, you get dual displays, so if you use it for a vlogging camera or for simply filming your own action sports, you can use the facing display or the rear while filming. Very nifty, very neat. If we take it out of the box, let's have a look at how it comes packaged. Pop open the cardboard box. The first thing you're greeted with on the top here is a little holder, and that contains the little action camera itself. It's small, it's compact, and it's very neat. On the top of it, you've got your power button there, which lets me power it on, and you can see the display is on. And then of course you can switch to the display facing me now if I want to vlog or use it for that kind of purpose, or the rear facing display. Then you can take full advantage of all its power. You also find in here you've got a secondary little box, and that contains the actual charge block, the unit you use to charge the battery, and a charge cable, as well as it's got a little connector which is used for mounting the device to a bunch of surfaces. What's very clever about the DJI OSMO Action is that it uses the simple mounts that we've come used to, for example, on the GoPro. So all those ones you bought for the surfboard, for the car, for the wave runner, for whatever application, simply mounts on you and can be used. It is a very handy, versatile camera, and packing some serious features such as 145-degree field of view, tons of different shooting modes, time-lapse modes, as well as a lot in the way of rugged style, and its waterproof ability make this a really cool action camera. But now that we've looked at this, let's jump onto this one, another one which I really am blown away with, the OSMO Pocket. So the OSMO Pocket, the box is small. It's much like the rest of the products we've discussed here today, and you simply have a little profile on the front of a camera sitting on a gimbal on a little stick. Very, very cool the way it's been laid out. It's got a bunch of features though, which set it apart from pretty much anything else out there. Let's open the box and see how it comes packaged first of all. Inside here you get this nifty little leather style case. It's a little hard case for it with a rubberized flap over it, and it's soft on the inside, and it bears this. Now with the OSMO Pocket, when you switch it on, you can see the gimbal comes to life. You can triple press it, for example, to switch to a forward-facing view if I want to face me, or I can set a bunch of recording modes. This lets you do a lot of really nifty things that gimbals allow, which make for stable footage. With the OSMO Pocket, it's got a half 3-inch CMOS sensor. It weighs just a mere 116 grams, and it's all powered by USB-C. With 4K 60 frame video, with its stable gimbal that can be maneuvered to face in a multitude of directions, powerful apps such as DJI's Mimo to control the whole experience, and what is simply the perfect pocket companion. You can take something like this, pop it in your top pocket while traveling, simply use it on the plane or on the vacation or anywhere you need it, and you're getting a 4K 60 frame stabilized camera that is tiny. It all makes for a great package. I really have enjoyed checking out this array of DJI products. They really are what the brand stands for. It's small, it's simple, but it lets you explore your movie making possibility. From me, Jason of TechnoBok, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.